Hey, so welcome to the project demonstration for MindEase AI, AI-powered emotional wellness chatbot. So let's move on with the demonstration. So this is the landing page of MindEase AI. The UI is very nice and clean looking. This is built with Streamlit. So this asks us to enter our name. I'll enter Matt. How are you feeling today? I'll enter exhausted, and then I'll enter hi. It response is hello Matt, I'm Mindy, your gentle relaxation companion. And I'm feeling unwell today. So it has given out a response. I'll try to extend the conversation further. So as you can see, the application is working absolutely fine. Let's talk about the benefits of using MindEase AI. Accessibility, available 24 by 7 for users in need of support. Anonymity provides a level of comfort for users who may feel hesitant to speak to a human. Cost effective and affordable option compared to traditional therapy. Now, if a student is able to build such a real world value bringing project, then he or she is able to learn how to design emotion aware conversational AI, maintain memory using LangChain, and build a polished front end using Streamlit. Overall, this is a very impactful project, and this can really impact the users and